Hi, it's Miray. Welcome to the first video of Coniun. Today we are going to explore our Discover page, and this is the most basic thing in Coniun. So what do we have here? What can we do in this page? So we can check all the projects which are listed in OpenSea. We have 24 sales count, we have 24 hours volume, 7-day volume, total volume, floor price, and MBCP, and filter here. But I want to talk about MBCP. MBCP is a term we have invented, and a lot of projects are talking about their MBCP percentages to their holders. What is it? So MBCP is the percentage of the blue chip owners of a project. So this is really important for you to check and decide on what you are going to invest, which NFT you are going to buy. So the filters, you can see some things, we can put some numbers on it, right? So what are we going to do with this? The filter is really functional because we can narrow our search according to the budget we have and what we want from project. And the projects are, as I said, listed in here, and we are going to put some varieties over there, like floor price, 24 hours sales count, and MBCP score. Why do I say this is functional? Because we can make our own rules over here, and it's going to be really helpful while we are checking the projects. In a second, I'm going to teach you how to use the filter, but first I would like to talk about the floor price. Why floor price is increasing is the consistent volume. The consistent volume is the key term while discovering the collections of NFTs for your budget. For example, when we look at other DEET, Bored Ape Yacht Club, Doodles, and Azuki, they have a common thing as consistent volume. Consistent demand, we can say, is a really important thing while we are searching for the projects. And if we scales of these projects, they're always the same or getting higher, they're not going low, and this is what we want. Now let's do an example from here. Let's say I have a budget, like minimum is 0.5 Ethereum and maximum is 1 Ethereum. That's the data. So I'm going to write 0.5 to the floor price and maximum is 1. I'm clicking on apply filters. Now I have some projects listed over here according to the data I just put over there. And now I can change, I can sort from here 7-day volume to high to low, low to high, but right now at this moment I need high to low. So from this point, what are we going to do? We are going to check whether the projects are at least 1 month old or not. Why? Because on the first weeks or the second weeks, usually the projects has really good consistent volume, but it might change. That is why we need at least 1 month old projects. And now we can see Coniun over here, and let's check some data. We have really good sales count, 60, that's really good. 7-day volume, pretty good. And total volume we can see, and floor price, really good. And MBCP, that is pretty good. 26, above 26%. And right now, I would like to state that we have been in this industry for 1.5 to 2 months. And by looking at these data, we can say that we have a really good consistent volume for this price range. And right now what we can do is to add more filter, narrow the search. Like I'm going to write 25 minimum and I'm going to apply filters. Now we have the new list. This is Coniun Pass over here. Let's say you have higher floor price. To guarantee your liquidity, you might want to add 24-hour sales count. You're going to change your floor price first, and then you're going to add MBCP score and 24 sales count over here to make sure to guarantee your liquidity. The most important feature of this page is that you are making your own rules over here by adding some more filters to guarantee your liquidity. And we are going to make some more videos. For the next video, please follow us on YouTube and wait for the next video. Bye!